Introducing the 2023 Seat Tarraco 2.0 TDI 150HP DSG 7S in sleek black. This stunning estate Jeep is not just a showstopper, but also packed with features to make every journey a breeze. With air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity and more, you'll be riding in comfort and style. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, anti-collision system, and more keeping you and your passengers secure. Plus, with security features like centralized locking and lane departure warning, you can have peace of mind on the road. Complete with a Powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on this fantastic Seat Tarraco.